Hi guys, now let's see how to install Node with NPM in Windows. Open command prompt to check whether Node is already installed in your computer or not. Type this command node space -v and press enter. It is showing it is not recognized. It is not installed. So let's install it. Open your browser and search for download Node.js. Click on the first link. There are two channels, LTS and current. I would recommend LTS for long-term support. There are installers for different platforms. I am downloading Windows installer. Now open the downloaded file. It will open the setup. Click on next. Check the I accept the terms and follow the procedure. Do not change any of this and keep them as it is. Now click automatically install the necessary tools. It will install NPM and other tools. Now click on install. Now click finish. A command prompt window will be open now. It will install additional tools. Press any key to continue. Click on yes if it asks for any permission. A PowerShell window will be open. You can minimize it until the installation process completes. Now open command prompt and now type the command node space -v and press enter. It is showing the Node.js version installed in your computer. Now type the command node and press enter. It will open Node terminal. I am writing a simple program here, console.log hello world, to print hello world and press enter. That's it. Now to check for the Node package manager, open command prompt and type the command npm space -v and press enter. It is now showing the npm version installed in your computer. You can also open Node terminal by searching for Node.js in Windows. That's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.